Listen to bro cry about how I gunned him. My bad, fam. I didn't realize this was shotguns only BR. Oh, wait, it isn't? Then why are you crying?
Bro forgot how to use his BY. Dang, bro is knowing the BY side to switch his AK. Crazy.
Wait a minute.
Hold up, can we get a quick slow-mo of our little fight just before?
Dang, bro is knowing the BY side to switch his AK. Dang, bro is knowing the BY side to switch. Dang, bro is knowing the BY side to switch his AK.
Anyways, let's see if we can get Mr. Yapper to speak more.
Dang, bro's not a shotgun user. Bro doesn't know he's a shotgun. Keep that up in with it. Fake shotgun of yours, you bitch.
Hold on, folks. It doesn't stop there.
Wait. No way, look at him. Look at him, look at him.
No way.
Hey boy.
Here's some bonus clips of literally the same game. Before you roast someone about not being able to shotgun, make sure you can at least use a gun of any sort before you speak.
Emotional damage.